there. Ryan is my tutor whenever I have mga hosting jobs with MasterChef and now with Bet on Your Baby. He knows whenever I'm nervous because I would text him every minute, every hour, tinitext ko siya kung ano yung nararamdaman ko, and he would call me up. It helps a lot that Ryan is a better host. Hindi siya better, an excellent host at that. Marami siyang mga pointers na sinasabi sa akin na na-realize ko na, oo nga, totoo nga yun. Kahit sabihin niya sa akin that you have to be comfortable, I can't be comfortable with hosting. Kasi it's all about talking and I'm not talkative. So, that's one point na kailangan kong pagtuunan ng pansin. And at the same time, I'm getting the hang of it because I get to go home earlier than taping day. So, I'm happy with my work now.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, we have a question on this side, please.
Good morning. Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
It's that one stretch in the day where you can't say more than afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Lahar Perlas. I'm the editor-in-chief of Celebrity Mom. First of all, thank you for gracing our very first cover this year for Celebrity Mom. You're our lucky charm. Okay, my question. Very quick question lang po. Okay, you love to cook, everyone knows that. To get rid of the smell, diba, of the grease, and kung may iniihaw ka o may piniprito ka, how effective is Fabricon? Like, how much do you need to put para, diba?
No, with Champion Fabric, you don't have to put a lot.
Okay.
Just a cupful of the bottle for a load of clothes, okay na siya.
Okay
You don't have to put a lot kasi yung smell niya, tama na siya para sa susutin mo. And at the same time, kasi since it has capsules that works the whole day, every time nasuot mo siya, mas lalo siyang bumabango kasi may mga capsules or little tiny things na nagbe-break whenever you wear your clothes already after using Champion Fabricon. That I am sure because I've tried it in all sorts of ways na pwede kong pabahuin ang damit ko. Kasi it's hard to endorse something if you don't know what you're talking about. So, I try to make it a point to, I have to know what I'm talking about. Nakakahiya naman na, di ba, kumuha ko na isang produkto para lang dagdag sa lapi. Hindi po gano'n naman ang usapan pag here. So, eto yung assignment na ginawa ko. And I'm very, very happy na I did my homework and I'm happy that I'm part of the Champion family.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nakabang.
Congratulations lang dahil ang galing mo mag-maglenta. Very good.
Thank you.
Yun yung homework. Tanong ko lang ano yung peg mo dyan sa napakagandang imahe mo sa likod.
Ay, ganyan po ako sa bahay. Yes. Galing ako sa bahay ngayon eh. So, ganyan lang ako. Di ba parang nasa bahay ka lang, nakakulot yung buhok mo, tapos fake lipstick lang. Ano lang, if you try to look at it, siguro kanina niya pa ito natitignan, bilang kayo. It's just being at home, very comfortable, very relaxed atmosphere. Parang walang issue, walang problema. Parang hindi mo naiisip yung pork barrel, hindi mo naiisip yung bayad ka ng tax. So, I guess, maganda ako siya.
Maganda ka talaga dyan. Matanong lang namin ikaw, bakit tinanggap mo itong champion? We're all aware na maraming mga brands, meron din mga konting baro. But aside from the fact na kasama mo si Ryan dito...
Yes, sana yung sasagot ko.
Yes.
Wala namang pwesto tao.
Magiging child-friendly nitong produkto. Ano pa yung naging consideration? There are issues of trust and...
Considerations talaga would always be the kids eh. Hindi ba? With me and Ryan, ano na yan, kumbaga, pag winag plus one mo yan, bilang mag-asawa, we have this, hindi naman na pag-uusapan, pero may respeto kami sa mga produktong ginagamit at ini-endorso namin. So, whenever you see any other detergent other than Champion, with Fabricol, I have to let my kids try it kasi sila yung pinaka-sensitive sa lahat eh. And at the same time, ako kasi, Tito Mario, di ba, parang pag artista ka, dapat lagi kang mabango. Tama yan, alam mo yan. Alam mo yan. Pag napapabango ka, kailangan nag-compliment din siya sa suot mo. And at the same time, pag naglaban kasi yung Fabricol at yung perfume na suot mo, bumabaho ka na. With Champion Fabricol, for some reason, you just don't have to use perfume anymore or cologne kasi yun na yun eh. Yung amoy niya, hindi siya amoy panlaba. Amoy talaga siyang perfume, amoy siyang cologne, and hindi siya masakit sa ilong. Maliit na ang ilong ko pa, sasakitin ko. Pag gusto ko pa ba yun? So, it's a very gentle scent na kung nagustuhan ko at nagustuhan ng mga anak ko, I'm sure magugustuhan ng lahat ng tao.
Okay, so last question. Nasundan ka na namin, nasa napakadagal na panahon. Paano mo napapanatiling mabango at malinis ang iyong sarili sa gitna ng mga, alam mo na, dumi, sa putik ng business?
Sa palagay ko dito, Mario, hindi naman mahirap yun kung hindi ka naman nagpapanggap at kung hindi ka nagtatago sa isang bagay na ayaw mong malaman ng mga ibang tao. In my case, kasi my life has been an open book for the longest time. And siguro, ang pinakamaganda na invest ko sa industriyan to, yung ito ako, pwede akong maging seryoso, pwede akong maging honest sa mga panahon na gusto ko maging honest. Pwede naman din akong maging palabiro. Alam mo naman yung honesty ko is the best policy, dito Mario. I don't believe kasi in pakikipag-showbizan. Parang this has been my life for the longest time. And my friends are here. Ayoko magpakita ng tao na hindi naman talaga ako yun. Because ito na yung kinalakihan ko, sila na yung nakita ko mga tao, sila na talaga yung family ko, and sila yung tinuturing ko kaibigan. Kung mapapanggap pa ako, wala nang matitirang kaibigan sa akin na totoo. So, ang sukli ko na lang dito is, eto ako, totoo ako, I expect you to be true to me as well.
Okay. Honesty, no?
Is the best policy.
Spell honesty.
Totoo na lang.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much. Salamat po.
Do you have any other questions on this side? Any over here? Yes, please.
Maan from Manila Bulletin.
Hi, good afternoon.
So, ang yung mga rare days na nakatambay ka lang sa bahay, ano ang ginagawa mo?
Pag nasa bahay lang ako, mas marami akong ginagawa at mas pagod ako. For some reason, mas pagod ako sa bahay. Kasi I clean sometimes. I cook a lot. I take care of my kids. We play. We take a bath in the rain. We do normal things, and we try to give our kids that normal life that they need. Humawak sa putik, gumulong-gulong sa putik. I cook with them. I teach them things na hindi nila malalaro sa iPad. Like patintero, tumbang preso. Ngayon, akong dati ang taguan ngayon, hide and seek. Meron na ngayon, ano yung sa conjuring? Clap and seek ba yun?
Clap and hide.
Clap and hide. Hindi ko pa kasi napanood, pasensya. Clap and hide. It's hard to accept jobs or work. It's hard to go to work when you have a happy home. Yun kasi yung binuo mo eh. And you try to protect it. When I'm home, hindi ko napapansin ng oras. Maliban sa pagkakain na, pag-uwi na ako. Pero kasi with working now, compared to working before when I was single, I would work 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, and it's okay. It's really okay. Ngayon, if I work more than 12 hours, nagiging impacta ako. Na gusto ko sana itago, pero hindi ko matago. Yung, maybe it comes with being a mother, it comes with being a wife, and at the same time, you yourself, you wanted to go home because you wanted that alone time already. Basically, we live a normal life. Akala lang ng mga tao, hindi. Pero, we're normal as possible. Thank you.